Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I will be reviewing this wig right here. So if you'd like to see my opinion on it, then just stay tuned. Today I'm having a blonde bombshell series. This is more of like strawberry blonde, but just work with me here. And I'm going to be reviewing 2 other wigs, and I'm going to be giving you my opinion of those wigs as well. So if you'd like to see more blonde wigs that you might like, click those links down below. I obviously want you to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this wig is from Friday Night Hair. This wig is very similar to 2 other wigs I've tried from them in the past. One is longer than this one and one is a little bit shorter, and so I just had to try this one too, just to see if it was, you know, similar. I will leave those 2 videos down below if you would like to see the reviews for those. This wig is a lace front, and all their wigs are pretty much, you know, killing it in the lace front department. I mean, just look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful hairline, right? And it has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back and 2 adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Ooh, child, act like they didn't want to get on my head, y'all. Okay, this is in the style GLS 116 and in the color T2730. I was a little iffy because this one looks more 30 than 27 to me, and usually I don't like 30. I think I could work with this. Hold on, this is actually kind of cute. I'm really liking the layers on it, like, already. Okay, this is really cute. I'm really liking the way it's falling. It's falling super, it's giving me 90s in a way, because I'm feeling like this is like how they kind of wore their hair in the 90s. Not super long. They didn't have long inches back then, but they had like lots of body and, you know, layers. So let's do something about this part. The only thing I don't like about Friday Night Hair wigs is I kind of wish they I wish they had more parting space. Like you get an inch of parting space, but I wish there was like 2 inches of parting space, or maybe an L part somewhere. And also when there's like a ombre in the front, it's like usually just ombre like in the first 2 inches, maybe just the first inch, and then the rest is like there's no ombre. So I don't like that about these wigs. Friday Night Hair really used to be like a favorite of mine, and then I kind of like seen other wigs, and it's kind of like things have kind of upgraded with synthetic wigs, and I feel like, you know, Friday Night Hair, let's step it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Give us a couple more inches, and like let's ombre it throughout, so when we flip our hair and stuff, people don't see that it's not all the way ombre. But it's not something that I can't work with. It's not like a deal breaker. I'm gonna add some concealer to make it, you know, give me like a more defined part here. You can never go wrong with a little concealer, you know, especially with a wig like this one, you know. Okay, come through, Friday Night Hair. Yes, girl, yes. See, this is why it's giving me 90s, because of this too. Like, give me body, give me life, give me blonde bombshell, okay? Back then it was like way more simple. It's not like I said, it wasn't a whole bunch of inches, it wasn't a whole bunch of highlights, okay? And you can really put the part anywhere, to be honest. I just like the drama of a side part. I'm just gonna take some of the hair and like brush it forward, just so, you know, it can look a little bit more realistic. I was gonna cut baby hair, but honestly don't feel like it, so I'm just gonna take some of this hair and like push it forward, just like a little trick I have that I do sometimes with especially Friday Night Hair wigs, because they're always like going straight back, but you can like make them come forward a little bit. I absolutely love I think because I just love like retro, nostalgic, vintage things. So if I had to grade this wig, I would give it a B, because of the I wish it had more parting space, and I wish it were more even with the coloring. as far as the ombre. Other than that, I feel like this is a fabulous wig. The hair is really nice as usual. Friday Night Hair has excellent fiber synthetic wigs. You can add heat to the hair up to 400 degrees. I did get a little shedding, not enough to make a big deal about, and also I didn't really get any tangling at all. Y'all know I like this wig. Y'all already know how I feel. Let me know what you think down below. How would you style this wig, and do you like the color? If you would like to get your own, the link is down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.